the second turning cycle. Select the F2 icon. For this operation, we will be again using outside turning. Define your part. XI, ZI is the starting point for X and Z, and in this example we will be using X1 and Z0. XF and ZF is the ending point for X and Z, and in this example we will be using X1 and Z minus 1.25. In this one, the diameter we want to turn down to will be 20 thousandths undersize of a half-inch thread, so we will put 0.48 for the diameter. Safety distances are 0.1. Now we will define the machining conditions. We will be using CSS with a maximum of 1500 RPM in the clockwise direction. Define the roughing pass. F is the roughing feed rate, and we will use 2 thousandths per rev. VCC is the surface speed, and we will use 300. T will be T1, and D will be D1. Delta for this part will be 75 thousandths per pass. And for the finishing pass, again, 2 thousandths per rev, a surface speed of 300, tool 1, offset 1, and then we're going to leave 5 thousandths for a finish on X as well as Z. Simulate the program. And save your part program.